How to fix Call of Duty Vanguard freezing issue on Windows. 1. Close background applications via WTM. 2. Update the graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Plan B. Uninstall then reinstall graphics drivers. 3. Scan and repair your game files in battle.net launcher. 4. Run the game executable, aka Vanguard.exe, as administrator. Like this. 5. Repair corrupted system files, as admin. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan-help-dism/online/cleanup-image/check-help-dism/online/cleanup. 7. Check your antivirus software. Ensure your security software allow Vanguard.exe through its settings. Plan B. Clean boot. Increase your virtual memory. 9. Other tips, make sure your graphics card isn't overclocked. Unplug external devices. Disable NVIDIA in-game overlay. Launch the reinstall shaders completion option under display in Call of Duty Vanguard settings. Change display mode from full screen to full screen borderless. Turn off HDR in Windows.